here's Anja from Agarowski Lifestyle. I would like to share with you how I cut my water pipes for the water pipes walk-in closet project I'm working on, or any other project you would like to realize. So let's get started. I've marked already where I want to cut my water pipe. I'm using this gloves because it's easier to really keep the water pipe stable, and on top of this you don't destroy the color, because with a little bit sweat on your hand, yeah, it's getting a little bit rusty. So I'm putting this here, it's marked, and then I'm going to fix it first. Don't worry about a little bit left or right. The millimeters don't make a difference in the connections. You can always adjust it afterwards. And then you turn that around 2-3 times, and it's getting a little bit loose, and you tie it up more here. Not too much, otherwise you bring the water pipes, squeeze them together. You really want to just slightly cut it. 1, 2, 3 around. Oh, it's getting loose a little bit, and I'm screwing it again. And this you do so many times until the water pipe is cut. I, by the way, decided to put a cushion in between, because it really makes the whole process more stable than just only on my legs. Yeah, and most importantly, what am I using? It's a mini copper pipe cutter you can get really in any specialized store or online. Muffy is with us. Always in the middle of in the center of the attention, huh? Here we go. Perfect.